Seems to be recording. Getting in and out of this thing is not easy. Now here's what you do with this stick. You hold it like this, and when you edit it, you don't see the stick. Or, I mean, you could get it so. Or bring it into Final Cut and screw around with it. How's the snow anyway? Yeah.
The snow is great.
Spring-like conditions? Huh?
It's great out.
Yeah, I hope it's just nice tomorrow though.
You gotta do some class work, get your butt out here, and get to work out here.
Yeah, well, we just got into town today, so.
Oh, where are you from?
Royal Oak.
Oh,
And
my family lives down there.
he's from Indian River.
Well, welcome.
Oh yeah, we're here to ski.
Yeah, go
You know, easy, man.
No, I see the Rozzy.
Oh, the Rozzy shirt. You skiing this weekend?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna be here tomorrow,
All right.
Saturday.
The snow is
You
good.
have to, you have to check out the back door.
Is it people are up there using it?
People have been up there. This weekend they'll be up there using it. Bring some hamburgers, hot dogs. They might be cooking them some stuff up.
See, this is the shit you can't find out unless you're here on the ground.
Yeah.
Used to heat up pasties up there in the mailbox.
No way.
Yeah.
You guys are original.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I mean,
yeah.
when we first started skiing here, none of that was there. It was just a trail
No way.
coming out of the woods.
Yeah, we're old.
You know.
I love that.
We'll bring you some brews. Some brews up there.
Yeah, we'll come ski tomorrow. I'll bring some beers.
Well, we'll definitely have to check that out.
The people that are up there are always awesome. They do the can returns. They keep everything in the pantry all nice.
Oh yeah.
It's awesome up there.
Cool.
They bring all that wood up every fall.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Neato. But the lodge is closed though, right?
What?
The lodge is closed.
No, you can go in.
Oh yeah?
The T-bar is open too.
The fuck? We're getting bad intel. Good hillbilly.
From us, we're gonna tell you what's up. They take, you can drink there.
Okay, great.
You can go to them. Yeah, you heard.
Well, I think we should go in there.
You think we should?
I think we should. Thanks. Take care. You want to hold this? Oh, you put yours on and I'll put mine on. We ran into the right group. All right. Better off. Oh, look at this remod. Is it remod? Seems cleaner. Hello. Just got to town. All this time, these people were telling us this place wasn't open,
I think
and
our
I'm
table's
really
right
pissed
over there.
off that we didn't get it right. But glad to see it.
Yeah, we're open.
Beautiful.
I just feel like
What in God's name?
God bless Governor Whitmer, huh?
Oh, Bill.
How are you?
Oh, David,
Oh,
did you get it?
I did.
Awesome.
Arm hurts like a miller.
Yeah, I was just gonna text you.